Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing another grocery haul. I want to thank ASOKO with Motion Sensor Lighting for sponsoring today's video. I love this light. You guys don't even know. As you know, in my closet, my pantry, where I keep all my canned goods and some boxed goods and things like that, it's so dark. And I've always said, oh my God, I need a light in here. I need a light in here. Okay, well, they reached out to me, and when I tell you guys, it is the best lighting system there is. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the videos here of how it comes in the box, how I unbox it, and how I get it set up. It does have an on switch with, of course, a motion light, which is awesome because then my kids don't have to flip switches or do anything like that. Once you open the door, it kicks on and it's perfect. And even the really cool part is let's say I needed the light for somewhere else, I can just pull it off and take it somewhere else and use it elsewhere. It comes with two different sets of the magnetic strips on the back to hang it. You can put it underneath your light cabinets. You can put it in a closet, in a hallway, in a bathroom. I put it in my pantry and it is phenomenal. I do have a 15% off code for you guys. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get started with this grocery haul. Alright y'all, so this is how the light actually comes. It's very tightly wrapped in a box. It comes with a charging cable and a charging wall port. It is a C charger. Then right here you have the two magnetic strips, which they have the sticky stuff on the back to go onto the wall or wherever you want to put it. And then the blue side is the magnetic side. And then the light comes in a nice bubble wrapped sleeve. Inside the sleeve you have a directions pamphlet, and then you have, if it's broken, where you would contact, how you would go about doing that. And then I'm just here showing you the light. It is a decent sized light. There is your button for dimming it low and then getting it to go a higher light. And I just will show you here. And then that little bulb figure on the front is the actual motion sensor. And I'm showing you how it goes low and then how it goes high. And then I'll show you where the C port is, how you can charge it. It does have an on switch where the light will constantly stay on, and then it has an off switch, and then of course the motion sensor, and then your C port charger. And then I just show you how the magnet strip goes on the back. And then, like I said, we're going to put it in my pantry, and I stick those onto the wall, and then you just connect your light. And it's amazing, you guys. You will just connect your light. I'm show you here that I flick it on, and then of course put it on the motion sensor side. And then you put it on, and then you shut your door, and then I show you what it looks like when you open the door. Look at that. Once you open the door, it just kicks on. I absolutely love this light. I know I've said it and said it and said it. I'm going to continue to say it. I love it. All right, y'all, listen, my husband helped me get all these groceries out, so they're not exactly organized on the counter, so we're just going to work with it. First thing I got is we needed some more little sausage. Let me flip you guys around. I did only go to Aldi's today. So this is everything I inquired at Aldi's. I do need to run to Walmart maybe tomorrow. My total was $2.19, which I don't think I've ever spent $200 at Aldi's, but they had a little extra snacks. So we definitely got them. Okay, so like I was saying, I got the sausages. My kids needed some more gummy snacks. My daughter needed some more of the peanut butter sandwiches. I got a thing of butter. I wanted to try these, the pomegranates. These look so good. Yeah, so I got those. I want to try those. We got some cinnamon rolls here. some chicken breasts. What are you? Bean and cheese burritos, which is different from we normally get. We had got some rotisserie chicken breasts for sandwiches. I had gotten some cream cheese spread, some singles for grilled cheese or just sandwiches. I got the whipped cream cheese, 2 things of creamer, some, what are you called, waffles. I got my son some more of his chicken thighs. We got chicken strips because I actually over here, we did au jus sandwiches the other day. So I got some bread that we need to eat. And so we're going to do chicken strip sandwiches. Then I needed some walnuts. I'm going to be making a healthy version brownies with dates, but we needed walnuts. I got some onion rings, 2 things of sharp cheese for cheese and crackers. I had gotten 2 things of cucumbers, an Italian style cheese. We got some corn, lettuce, of course, some green beans. My son needed some more french fries. We had gotten him some steak fries. I wanted to try this. I've never tried this. We always buy them fresh, so I wanted to see how they'd be of asparagus. We needed pie crusts for pies for Christmas. I got some chocolate pudding mix because then I just put them in here, the little graham cracker mini crusts, and then I'll just put the chocolate pudding in there. My son just got braces yesterday, so he is on like a very soft diet, and he ate all the Jell-O yesterday, so I wanted to get him some more Jell-Os. Oh my goodness, it's falling out. And some more puddings to help with his teeth. This is where they got me. Dark drizzled kettle corn, sweet and salty holiday treat. Y'all, look how good that looks. Then they had the Sun Chips, Harvest Cheddar. We love the garden salsa. And of course I got just some nacho cheese ones. Make sure I didn't miss anything over here. Then I got some little cuties, mandarin oranges for me and my daughter. I needed some more decaf tea because now I do half calf. Some ketchup. I needed some more oil. And then me and my daughter love this. So instead of doing cucumbers and ranch, we will do this raspberry vinaigrette from Aldi. It is so good. We needed some more hot sauce. I had got some pumpkin pie, cherry, 2 things of the cherry, evaporated milk for the pumpkin pie. And then I've got 2 things of chicken in a can, 2 bags of apples. Get out of the way. I got a cheese pizza and then a pepperoni pizza. It's sideways. I found a giant thing of beef jerky. I got some confetti brownies. Yo, these are like it. They have the brown sugar cinnamon and a brownie one. I don't like the brownie one, but the brown sugar cinnamon tastes just like a cinnamon roll. And this lemon, oh, so good. We needed a cereal. Then I'd got them for their lunches, mini chocolate chips and iced oatmeal cookies. And I think, nope, I lied. Then I got them a snack combo. I also needed a vinegar. So I had gotten a vinegar. I'd gotten 2 things of milk, 2 things of pickles, 2 things of ranch, and then I had gotten a barbecue sauce. I want to thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to check the description box for the discount code. I will have everything linked in there. I can't wait to hop on Amazon and buy these for my friends and family because they are awesome. I need at least 2 more now that I can think of. I need 2 more. I want to thank ASOKO with Motion Sensor Lighting for again sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.